Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome. And I have my Heaven panties, y'all. And I do want you to see how this comes. Nobody would ever know you were getting panties in the mail. So it's just nicely wrapped. Heaven panties is $13 a month. And what that covers is a $15 pair of panties. And you also get a credit of $13 in your account that you can spend online. And you get the complimentary style service that's worth $10 and the free shipping that's worth $8. So it's a good value for the money. And I tell you, I really like the panties. They wear well, they wash well, they fit well. And let's see what this looks like inside. When you open it up, you're gonna have this here. And then in this little Ziploc bag, you're gonna have a sneak peek of what color you have. It looks like a maybe white or blush pink. Let's see what's in here. So I'm plus size, and they do have some plus sizes, and they also have, they have when you join, and I have a link below. You'll get some. I think you get $20, and I think they give me $20. I think, and you will. Be able to answer some questions about what kind of panties you like and don't like and that type of thing. So this is very pretty, very pretty. It is a blush pink, and they're very, very pretty. I will say that. Okay, so here they are, and it's a blush pink. It might be hard to tell on film. It sort of almost looks white, but you can see the white in my blouse. You can see the difference maybe. These look like a bikini style, but I think that they're more of a brief. I'll tell you something, these are very beautiful and sexy. This lace is so soft, it's stretchy, and it stays on your bum. I mean, you wouldn't think it would, but it does. I don't have any problems with them. And this is it's just very, very beautiful. Look how pretty. You have your coverage where you need it. And then you have the beautiful lace all the way around. And again, coverage where you need it. And there's always cotton where you need it. So these are really pretty. Very silky pair. And they have really pretty lingerie on their website. They have bras. And they have other things as well that you can spend your credits on. So really, you're spending $13 to get this once a month, but then you have that $13 to spend. So it's almost like these are your free pair, now come and shop, so they're just really pretty. What do y'all think? I think these are one of the prettiest pairs. I love when they have the lace because, like I said, the lace is very comfortable. It has some give to it, and it's not at all scratchy. That's, lace in the past, especially on lingerie, used to be very scratchy and itchy, and this is not. So thank y'all for stopping by to see my Heaven panties. And like I said, I have a link below. The link is a little odd. I don't know that you can click on it. I think you have to copy and paste to make it work. If you have any trouble, if you're interested, let me know and I'll do my best to help you with it, okay? Thanks so much for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.